What's wrong with you, lot?
Leicester Fixins Y. Just Y.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Delight Sales Sold, and today, let's just mark that, get it started. And today is an unboxing and taste test. I'm more excited about seeing these two faces because they have no clue what this is.
And knowing her, it's either going to be absolutely diabolical or it's going to be great.
Should we get on with it?
Well, it'll be great.
Considering how she's laughing.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Is it frog's legs?
Not telling you.
As I said, I know it's some kind of drink.
I've got this
Or
from,
liquid.
as you can see on the box, I've got this from VAT 19.
It's going to be sour drinks. Has it got mango in
With
it?
big bottles of maple syrup.
You don't know, do you?
Mango.
So I open it.
If it was
Don't
mango,
look.
Hurry up!
if it was mango, I don't think she'd be giggling like this
No, I wouldn't actually.
because she's got to do it as well.
Stop looking. I've got to do it as well, yeah. Let's move the rubbish out the way.
Something in there.
I'm not going to show you yet.
Yeah, I'm making sure to look away.
We're going to
Come on.
drink it all or just a
Look
shot?
away. Look away. Wait. Get off. Get off. Get off. Stop it.
Come on, I feel sick. You lot are going to enjoy this. Oh, I don't sound deadly.
God, it's not in the box.
They've got to be cans.
Okay, Mark, you can eat the box.
I think I know what it might be. Just from guessing.
Okay,
Can I guess?
you can guess.
Is it finally the weird sodas?
You're right.
Hell yeah.
We've been wanting to do this a very, very long time, and I've seen Lost in Eye do it the other week. So I thought, right, let's just see if I can get them. And guess what?
I've seen a few taste tests.
I've got them.
Yeah,
So-
Aid, you might need the spit bucket. Shall I get
Right.
some glasses?
We're going to set up, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. On the menu today, bottle number one. We're
Frog's
going to open
legs.
them all up. Is
Oh no! Oh no! Why?
Is it wet?
It's mustard. Y'all get your fixins.
I'll be alright with that one.
Oh no!
second on the menu is. Hello.
What?
I'm going to say
What is it?
diarrhea.
Why?
What is it?
Dirt?
I'm alright with that. I'm always playing in the dirt.
How and why?
We're not going to do this in order, by the way. We're going to do it from best what we think to last. Next on the menu is.
Mango.
No,
Enchilada? Well, just.
I tell you, they come well packaged, you know. The next one is.
Bacon. I've seen this one before.
I'll be alright with that.
Yeet.
One thing I do know is they won't taste exactly like the say.
No. That's definitely not lemon.
Grass?
And
I like the
again,
colour. I actually like the colour of it.
Yeah. Next one is.
have you ever tried grass?
Butter soda. Well, I mean, Bean Boozled had a grass flavoured one, so.
And the last one is.
Sweet corn. I've seen this one as well.
I couldn't get it. I couldn't. It was too expensive. So I'm assuming it's going to be that last.
Yeah, that'll be a nice.
This
one.
is going to be disgusting.
Mustard. Grass.
I think grass will actually be okay.
Yeah.
Oddly enough.
Which one next? Enchilada or bacon or butter? Butter. Sweet corn, bacon and enchilada. Which one? Which one do you think was the most pleasant?
I don't know.
The dirt.
That's gonna be the
Come on, let's get on with it then.
Right,
Who's got the can opener now?
let's try sweet corn.
I like
That's
sweet
butter.
corn.
Oh,
Sweet corn's this one.
okay.
Is there any butter in it?
I'm gonna smell it first.
I like sweet corn.
What the hell? It smells like popcorn.
That smells like sweet corn.
Oh God. You got to have a good sweet. Sweetie.
It looks like someone's just wazzed in a cup. And can't
Right,
really see it.
smelly.
They like sweet corn.
No, I hate
Oh, that
sweet.
smells disgusting.
I hate sweet corn.
Just taste the soda.
Does it taste of sweet corn?
No, it smells it.
It's no problem.
Oh.
Just taste the soda, do it? It smells sweet
It just
corn.
tastes like sweet. It just tastes like sweet popcorn. I could drink that.
Yeah, but it smells like.
It smells like death.
It does smell horrible.
The smell is just so off-putting.
Would have been better with a bit of butter in it.
Oh no. The aftertaste is vile. Yeah, it gives you that cringe factor, don't it?
It's sweet corn.
Oh no.
That's
Just
number
hit me.
10.
It just hit me. Oh.
It's that sickly.
Initial flavour,
Wow.
not bad.
Something wrong here, lot.
The aftertaste,
Smell,
horrible.
the smell is the worst part.
Yeah, it smells rank.
Smells like sweet corn.
It does not smell
No.
like sweet corn.
You can't
It
have them.
smells like sweet
So
corn.
which one out of these two?
Let's get the unknown out of the way.
The enchilada.
Does it say unknown?
No, it's enchilada.
I can still taste it. Oh, hello.
Don't break it. That was a bit poppy, already. It is going to be some burping. I apologize. Oh, don't burp.
I had a small one and it came up.
No. Oh,
Do you like sweet corn?
no.
Well, that's your problem.
That smells orange. That smells like orange.
I'll bet it, right?
No, I can smell enchilada.
Smells orangey. Get it in
No.
the glass.
I can smell enchilada.
Always put some in the glass. That's like a fizzy sweet.
The smell again, it's off-putting.
I can smell pepper.
Yeah. What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with you?
Cheers.
Yeah, then.
I'm waiting for the aftertaste.
I can't smell pepper.
It's not as bad as I was expecting, but I can taste the pepper.
It's like just having sweet peppers.
I can taste the pepper.
Don't taste like enchilada to me, it just tastes
No.
like sweet peppers. You know, like a bell pepper. Like a bell pepper.
Well, to me, peppers just taste like dish soap.
Tastes like a fizzy sweet to me.
For the time being,
Then the two top ones.
actually no. Sorry.
Pardon.
That way.
Is that the dirt?
Not that, it's
No.
going to taste disgusting for ages.
I do mind that one.
Yeah, it was better than the sweet corn.
The sweet corn was rank. The smell of the sweet corn was
The smell,
Sweet corn?
the smell of the enchilada one wasn't too bad. Aftertaste wasn't even that bad.
No.
And the actual flavour was just... I
Sweet
wouldn't exactly
peppers.
say nice, it was just meh.
Yeah.
Tomatoes.
Bacon. Do we want to do bacon? Yeah.
Now it's the butter next.
Oh. No, I love butter.
I love butter.
I think that tastes like butter.
Right, we've got 10 minutes. Right. Butter.
Butter!
No, I love butter. It goes in my daily diet daily. But drinking it.
It goes in your daily diet daily, does
Yeah.
it?
It's gonna be
it does, yeah.
greasy.
That one was a very pleasant opening.
Does it smell like butter?
I'll soon tell you, give me a sec. It kind of smells like cream soda. Or, do you remember years ago there used to be marshmallow squash?
I get it.
Yeah.
I can't smell it.
This is not so busy.
That burp aftertaste was... Ugh.
Wait. Smell.
Mm.
There's a hint smell of butter.
Yeah,
Then yeah.
it's very slight. Oh, just... What's it taste like?
Soda. With a not cream
Into
soda.
butter.
Just tastes like cream soda.
Good butter. Taste.
It's buttery cream soda.
Well, I'm gonna need this after all then.
I'm not exactly keen on it because it tastes weird to me.
When you get the last bit down.
The down in it make it weird.
It still beats that. It still beats that though.
That was weird.
It still beats that. That sweet corn was rank.
Oh,
It's a shame we
sweet
couldn't
corn.
get the ranch dressing one
I know.
because that's the one everyone despises.
Why'd I get that one?
Do you know how much these cost me?
No.
Plus shipping.
Give out
Too
too
much.
much.
Too much. Next on the list.
We didn't say much about the butter one.
It was alright. It was just there. It's not.
Yeah, it literally was just buttery cream soda.
Yeah, it's got cream soda. That's it. It's but
Adrian, got anything to say?
oh,
That was nice.
yeah. I think he's going to enjoy every one of them.
Yeah.
Let me smell this one.
What's that one?
Let me smell.
What is it?
Bacon soda.
You know what it smells like?
Bacon.
Frazzles. It smells like Frazzles. I don't know if anybody in America or anybody else knows what Frazzles are.
It smells like frazzles that have been left out for 20 years.
Strong frazzles.
I like the colour.
Yeah, the colour's nice.
You know what I need to do at the end of this?
What?
It's a for the
No,
big moment.
no, I know what you're saying. You're going to put it all into one. Yeah, I'll do it.
mix it. Yeah, it just smells like 20-year-old frazzles. Any bacon?
Can you taste bacon?
Frazzles. Pardon.
Can you taste bacon? I can't really taste bacon.
I can taste fake bacon.
Leave the dirt soda alone.
Otherwise known as fakin.
Okay, right.
My body's like rejecting these because of all the reactions I've seen of other people.
Wow.
Does bacon taste?
Ugh. Oh, no. There's no bacon taste, it's just pure fakin.
Actually, the word of the day, bacon.
better than the corn one though. Yeah. I'm surprised enchiladas is taking it so far.
Next on the list.
Grass. How do you want to open? Oh, that was a nice one. Does it smell like a garden?
You don't like grass, do you? The smell.
Yeah, it smells like lettuce.
You
That's
well.
what that is.
Right.
A faint smell of lettuce.
Grass.
Is it?
Yeah. You lot never ride cutting the grass in your house. You don't know what it looks like when it's cut.
Again, I like the colour.
Yeah.
Oh, that's got stronger now.
It's like a clearer version of. Do you remember Tartan?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a clearer version
What
of
the
that.
fuck is that? Sorry, I swore. I'm sorry. It
I've
smells.
got so much.
It smells straight up garden.
Tastes like
It kind of smells like.
cucumber.
Kind of smells like a fruit salad. Just that.
Does it?
You know that overall just fruit smell.
How are you doing this?
What's wrong with you, lot? Well, you don't
No,
cut the
It
grass.
smells like one of your juice drinks.
Oh god, I'm gonna be sick.
It smells like
You
your
don't
juice
go
drinks.
fishing, so you don't play with the sweet corn. You don't cut the grass, so you don't know what the grass is like.
Grass. That's straight up grass.
It tastes like one of your juice drinks.
Don't do that because we need to save some.
Yeah.
That's not nice.
It tastes like a carbonated one of your juice drinks you used to have.
That's not. Hey,
That's
Oddly
nice.
enough, it's not that bad.
that's horrible.
It's a bit fizzy though.
I prefer it to bake. I'll put that second.
Oh no.
My body's not giving an adverse reaction to it, so
It's great. It's like you've mowed the lawn.
I'd put it above butter. Personally, I'd probably even put it above enchiladas.
No.
Oh no, the worst two.
Nah. I bet soil. What's that one?
Mustard.
Mustard.
Uh,
I've seen people do mustard.
Neither have I.
Don't shake it. We might need this one.
yeah, I like
Yeah, I'm probably gonna need it because as we saw the last time I tried mustard.
Pardon. Go on, let's get the mustard. God, I got the fizzy.
Maybe. That smells like sweaty mustard.
It smells like
American mustard.
Where did it come from?
it smells like damp rubber.
No.
What damn rubber you got?
Because it has that sort of plasticky kind of smell to it.
I think that's not nice, you know. That's.
I can't tell. Put it in a glass. Hey, don't be mean.
Hey, we're gonna have.
Oh, now it's mustard.
Thank you.
Oh, hold on. That doesn't smell right. I don't even smell like
That does not-
mustard.
It
that
does.
not smell right.
Oh God, Mark.
I think I'm only going to manage a little sip of this one.
Wow.
What? Look at me, Mark.
Because if I,
Don't put no more in. We need to use that.
if
You
I
don't
take,
need to waste them.
if I take
No.
if I take a sip while you're reacting, I'm going to spit, and I don't want to spit.
American mustard.
Huh?
Fizzy mustard. It's very unpleasant.
No.
Wow.
No. Why? Why? Why would you do that?
Mm.
It's not my favourite. You can drink it.
Oh, that's last for me. That is bottom. No.
Wait till you try this one then.
I think I'd rather try dirt.
Shoveled and bottled in the USA.
The other grass one said mowed and bottled.
This one says
You all get your fixins.
This butter says no.
Nothing.
It does. Pure cane. Oh, pure cane sugar. Oh God. Let me.
Go on, sniff your dirt.
You don't even
Does that
need
smell?
to.
Does not. Sniff it.
It's very subtle. Oh, that just looks wrong.
That looks all good.
It looks like a day nappy.
That'll do.
Hey. Oh,
Don't do that. You pour it on you.
oh, that's potent.
Yeah, I'm only having a little bit of that. It's sending my stomach funny.
Is that dirt?
No,
Don't taste like dirt,
well,
Mark.
I don't know. It's not English dirt.
Don't even taste like dirt.
It's American dirt.
Yeah, because it's full of sugar. It tastes weird.
It don't taste unpleasant now.
Does to me.
I don't know what it smells of.
What does it taste of? It don't taste like dirt now.
It kind of tastes like someone left roller cola to sit in the cupboard for 20 years.
What? That's not last for me. Where would you put
It's not
that?
last. That's middle ground. That's like bacon to you.
Wait.
You've got too much, you can't put all
Well-
them into one bottle. Can I have the,
I am actually quite surprised that.
can I have the
Dirt.
sweet corn?
No, not yet. Dirt does not go to the bottom.
Yeah, you'd think it would.
What's on the bottom then?
For me, mustard.
For me, sweet corn. No, yes, sweet corn.
Not
Fine.
my top one, oddly enough, is grass.
I don't want a mixture of all of them.
Tough.
Still like we did with the tea.
Just give
A
me
little
the,
bit.
No.
give
Sorry,
me the
sorry.
sweet corn.
1, 2,
Extra for what?
3.
Guys, I've got the lorry. I don't know why you're doing all
This is
this.
gonna be
We've already got it mixed in
Hell.
our stomach.
hell. Hell.
Pardon. Don't get wasting the sweet
The
corn.
green. No, we're not sing. Don't want to get
Green what?
copyrighted. Why have you got less?
Yeah, pour it in that one.
No, blame me. You're the one pouring.
That surprised me, Dirt.
Don't waste the sweet corn.
Definitely surprised me.
Can we start?
Right. Read.
Not all of them is going to fit in. It looks like a dull Fanta fruit twist or whatever it is. Please don't put much of it in for me.
No, you're not having what everybody else is having.
Ooh.
Enjoy mustard.
Oh.
Don't get wasted in that one.
Oh. Oh. I need some Dutch courage for this.
Yeah, I need a. I'm going to have a refresher drink as well.
Do you know what smells the most? The sweet corn. Just.
1 sec, I'm having a refresher.
What's the matter with you, lot?
Oh, it's an actual good pop.
What's up with you?
Well, I like all of them. You stay off of them.
Smell it. Smell it, Mark.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's the sweet corn. The sweet corn is foul.
Right, let's see your reaction.
Pardon. What did you get in that
This
guitar?
is, all I can taste is sweet corn and butter.
I saw you just go. Mm.
You got to try Neki.
So have you?
How the hell?
There's nothing there bad.
It's the sweet corn, it's from you. They're quite thick actually. Now you're alright. Down the ash mark. Let's go. Oh.
Oh, my eyes watering.
Oof, you can get lost in that.
My eyes watering.
Oh.
Oh man.
What's wrong with you, lot?
Leicester Fixins Y. Just Y.
That is going to be, out of all of them, that is the smelliest, rankest, sweet, getting your fixins yet. Fixins of having a dodgy stomach.
No,
That
the
is-
worst for me is still mustard.
Now that
The,
is
be-
just,
the
It's
best,
the best.
it's
the
the
best
worst.
one is what was the best one? Grass.
For you,
Yeah.
why was the most surprisingest one
Dirt.
was dirt. That did not taste like dirt. The one that really,
Pardon?
the one, excuse me,
Flip it out. Wind.
the ones that tasted like it, that,
Here, are you?
corn, sweet corn tasted like sweet corn, but it tasted, no! Which one did you think, out of all of them, Mark, did you think that tasted like it said? Grass.
None of them.
Grass?
Sweet.
Grass didn't taste like grass to me. None of them tasted like it's. Well, mustard was the closest.
Them two.
Mustard was the closest for me.
Grass and the sweet corn. Would I do them again?
If there was different flavours.
I think I got nearly all of them except for the
Ranch.
ranch. There was some other flavours on there, but there was nice flavours.
Well, nice flavours like peanut butter and jelly.
Yeah. There was peanut butter and jelly on there.
There's also buffalo. You know, like your buffalo hot
Yeah.
sauce.
Yeah.
I think there's bacon and chocolate.
No. But anyway, that was our lovely surprise video today from Mark and Adrian. It was alright. It was weird.
There's some more.
It could have been worse.
How can you be... What is wrong with you? Have you got no taste buds at all? Have you got no taste buds?
That little sweet corn.
Oh, God. We need to get something fell for him to try. You'd eat it as well, wouldn't you? Or wouldn't you? These ones are actually pleasant.
Well, it wasn't pleasant.
They are unpleasant. Sweet corn was
Yeah,
unpleasant.
no.
Anyway, that was our taste test today. Hope you enjoyed it.
Mustard.
Like, share, and subscribe, and keep up with the Delights household.
Jump in the Discord.
If you want us to see us if you want to see us try any other drinks, weird foods,
Snacks.
weird combinations,
International stuff.
recipes,
Challenges.
let us know in the comments. We really appreciate it, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.
Try.